Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sandra. So today we're gonna shave our face and we're gonna use this eyebrow razor I bought at Watson's. It's just only 55 pesos. And we're gonna start, but first we're gonna use this Thayers facial toner I bought at Watson's once again, and we're gonna use this cotton pad to put them in our face. And now we're gonna apply it onto our face just to remove the bacteria, so when we shave our face we don't get any of the bacteria in our pores, and so our face is just squeaky clean. So we just use this mirror so that I could clearly see my face and where I'm cleaning the areas that needs to be cleaned the most. Look at how dirty that was. So yeah, we're just gonna clean that, or you could wash your face. So basically what I'm saying is you could wash your face or just tone your face itself. And because I washed and toned my face, we're just gonna pat them dry after washing it so that it's really clean. I'm just making sure of that my face is clean. And you could you can just tone it or you could just wash it, so it's up to you. So after drying my face, as you can see, we're gonna use this Jeju Aloe eyes I bought again at Watson's, and it's fresh Skinlab. I'm just gonna put the price on the screen, and we're just gonna put the aloe vera in the parts where we're gonna shave our face. So we're gonna do the under eyes first and half the nose, and we're gonna use this razor. So we're gonna stretch our face too so that the razor can glide smoothly onto the face. Now we're gonna apply more aloe vera to the parts where we're gonna shave, or dermaplane. That's a medical term for dermatologists. This is basically dermaplaning. And now we're gonna shave downwards. According to dermatologists, you have to shave downwards, and I have watched other YouTubers do this too, downwards. Since you can see there are a lot of hair on my face, and you know that those are technically some of the dead cells on my skin, and we're just gonna get rid of that. So as you can see, there's not much dirt on my face because I shaved my face a week before, and that was the first time, and there's hair much more on my face, and now there's just some of the hair on the side of my face, and we're just shaving them. And you know, it's dead skin cells, so just basically cleaning our face. So we're using a cotton pad to get rid of the excess hair over the jaw, and we're gonna shave our jaw now. When you're positioning the razor, always place it on a 45-degree angle so that it can glide through the face without as much friction, without causing much friction, and so that it could prevent cuts. So right now we're just gonna clean the parts we shaved. I also regularly clean the shaver I have a tissue there on the side so that I could keep my razor clean. And now we're gonna get rid of the hair on my mustache and the upper part of the lips, lower part of the nose. So again, you have to stretch the face. And now the lower part of our face, right above the chin. So as you can see, we're wiping out the dead skin cells on my chin, and as you can see, the cotton pad was very dirty with all the dead skin cells that have been removed from my face. Now we're doing the opposite side of my face. So as you can see, this side of my face does not have as much dead skin cells as the other side of my face because I'm gonna shape parts of my goatee. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna wipe them up and we're gonna clean our face, squeaky clean. And now we're gonna try to shave our brows, but later on I will back out because it's scared the frick out of me. But watch me destroy myself and my brows. I was like, in my mind, I wanted to try the Bella Hadid, the foxy eye makeup look. That look, not makeup. But we're gonna fail miserably, as you can see here. And you can also see me make up some eye space. And suddenly I blocked my mirror in the camera and we barely didn't see what happened. I didn't even know if I shaded too much of my eyebrows, but I tried my best and this is what it looked like. I don't know, I freaked out the time, so yeah, just bear with me. So after that, our face can be a little more sensitive because all the hairs are gone. So we're gonna apply a sunblock from Beautederm. It's Day Cream, and we're just gonna apply it all over our face, just so we can keep the sun out and the UV rays, preventing them from damaging the skin because it's a little more sensitive. So yeah, that probably sums up the video. Please like and comment down below. And oh my god. So yeah, that probably sums up the video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what do you like. What do you like? Okay guys, I really suck at this voiceover and we're just gonna end this video like right here, right now. Blue eyes.